everybody, and welcome to another day of my 1 week 1 palette challenge spring edition with the amazing Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to use the color Peaches and Cream again because I want a nice and a little bit brighter look today. And I'm also going to use the XR Beauty Crease Blender Brush. And again, like all the looks before, I'm just going to use this color as kind of a base color and as a transition shade in the crease, and I'm also blending it all the way towards the inner corner to have a nice and light shade for what I'm thinking of right now. Next, I'm going to stay with the Crease Blender Brush by XR Beauty, and I'm going into the very nice and peachy pink color right next to it, which is called Georgia. And I'm going to use that as a transition shade only in the crease, and I'm just applying it up here. It's a very nice and very natural shade. Especially if you have a skin tone like me, then you will hardly even see a difference when you use this. It's a very nice pinky shade and it gives you a very nice look. As I said, you can hardly see a difference probably, but it's a very nice shade and it will probably look very pretty later on. Okay, and now next I think I want to make a little bit of a mixture between a Candied Peach and Summer Yum. Candied Peach is a very nice kind of sparkly peachy pink right here in the middle, and Summer Yum is the reddish terracotta-y shade in the corner down here. And I am going to use Angled Shadow Brush by XR Beauty, and I think I'm going to start with Candied Peach. I'm going to apply that one in the crease outer corner. And I really like this brush for especially that kind of areas where I really want to apply something in the outer corner and crease area. I'm keeping it over the crease, kind of in the crease, and blending it kind of upwards. And because I want it to be a little bit more of a muted look, I think today I'm going to mix in Summer Yum a little bit, because it's kind of a similar color shade, just darker and with brownish undertones, and I think that will tone it down a little bit, make it a little bit darker and warmer. I'm applying a bit of that one, only in the crease, not blending it too far upwards. Take a blending brush, and I'm using the Laura Mercier ponytail brush, which I'm always using because it's just the nicest blending brush ever. And I'm blending that wall very nicely and blending those two colors together. Blending a little bit of Summer Yum into this. So on this brush I'm applying the teeny tiniest bit of Summer Yum and blend it only into the crease to make it a little bit darker. And now onto a little bit of a pop of colour I think today, and I'm going to use the XR Beauty eyeshadow brush. It's a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use the colour Delectable. This one, the purple one. I'm starting with the teeny tiniest little bit because it's very, very highly pigmented. And I'm going to apply that one in my outer corner. Only there, not too far towards the inner corner or too far up or out. And just kind of pressing it on and blending it afterwards. Now first I'm going to blend it, and taking the Crease Blender Brush by XR Beauty and the ponytail brush by Laura Mercier to blend it a little bit more, also towards the middle. But you can see how much pigment this brush takes off, so we have to be a little bit careful with that. Now I'm going in with the Zoeva 234 Luxe Multi-Shader Brush, and again with the Delectable with the purple color. And I'm applying a little bit more of it. I just have the feeling that this is a little bit fluffy and softer than the XR Beauty eyeshadow brush. And I think it's a lot easier to apply a lot of pigment without making it look really patchy. And going over it with the ponytail brush, especially in the crease. Not too much on the lid itself, a little bit in the middle. Alright, like this. And now on to a little bit of a glitter shimmery color, and I'm going to use the Suva 234 brush again, and the color Bellini, this one right in the center here, which is a very nice rose golden kind of shimmer, and I'm putting that one in the middle of the lid because it's not that bright and it's a really nice rose golden shimmer color. The golden sparkle and like pinky undertones, and I'm blending it into the purple color and keeping it in the middle of the eye. Applying a little bit more to make it a little bit darker and to make the color pop up a little bit more. Just pressing it on kind of, not blending it. Then going back in to the color Bellini and do the same thing. I just pat kind of to blend because I don't want the colors to mix too much. Now I'm blending from the outside in. Very soft kind of touches. This. Okay, and now on to the last color for today. I'm going to take the lovely color Lucious, I think it's called Lucious, which is the champagne color up here. Luscious, probably. And I'm putting that one in the inner corner and let it meet with Bellini. Not blending in too much, going in with Bellini a little bit more. Patting it on, and let the pats be my blending motion kind of. Very warm, lovely look. Now only the lower lash line is missing, and I am going to use Summer Yum, which is in my upper crease. I'm putting that one in the outer corner down here towards the middle. Let those colors meet in the outer corner. And now also a little bit of Bellini in the middle and towards the inner corner. Summer Yum 2 Champagne Shimmer I'm using a little bit. And the eyeshadow look is already done. I have the feeling that that it's very easy to create very dramatic looks with this palette, and it's just no time. Okay, and now on to mascara, or I think I'm going to use some falsies today again. And I think today I'm going to be a little bit more dramatic. And I'm going to use one of the Dramatics from XO Beauty, and I think I'm going to go for the Glamourista lashes. Going to apply these and then I'm going to come back to you. Okay, and they are on. Love them so much. They are so pretty. Now again, as always, I'm using a little bit of my favorite mascara to combine my natural lashes with my false eyelashes, and I'm using the Selfie Lash Mascara by Tanya Burr Cosmetics. And just applying the teeny tiniest little bit to, like I said, make sure that my natural lashes are well combined. Also on my lower lashes. And done. How amazing is this look? And how quick and easy is it to make it? Love it. And I think I'm going to go for another Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. This time, this is Amazing Grace, and this is more like a muted kind of pink color. It makes it really lovely and springy, I think. Of course, you can also all the time wear a very nice dark berry color because of the purple in the outer corners. I think that will look really nice. For example, I think Glastonbury would look amazing with this look. So if you are watching this video and it's autumn at the moment, just do everything I did with the eyes and just wear a very nice dark berry color with it, like for example Glastonbury. And that's my look done for today. I hope that you like it. It's a very nice, definitely more going out at night look. Don't forget to link me in your pictures on social media if you recreate this look, and to just let me know if you like it, what do you think about it in the comments down below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it and to subscribe so you won't miss all the other little looks I create with this palette. Thank you so much for watching. I really highly appreciate it. Also, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe or give this video a thumbs up. It would really help me out and make my day. Can't wait to see you in my next video, which will be tomorrow, another look with the Sweet Peach palette. See you soon, take care, bye bye!